Hey everyone, so Notion have just released their buttons update, and I want to show you quickly how I've implemented it into my free Dream Journal Notion template. If we scroll down to here, you can see you've got a couple of dreams that I've just added in there as examples. And if we go into this one, a dream about a cardboard world, you can see we've added the new button here called Favorite This Dream. So if we go into the settings, it edits this current page, and all it does is it edits the favorites property and checks it. Nice and simple. So if we click on this button, there we go. And now our favorite dream will appear on the right hand side with whatever dream, picture, crazy image we've added onto there. So if we go into our template here, which is set as the default, we're going to edit there. You can see the favorite this dream button is on the template as well. So this will appear on every single dream journal you have. And now you can just click the button and it will appear on the right hand side as a new favorite dream. So a pretty cool update. Just wanted to share that quickly. And feel free to grab this template. I'll put a link in the description. Completely free and super useful if you want to track your dreams.